A double take in Pepsi's Wonderful World Sweepstakes. 5 families will vacation at Disneyland and the Disneyland Hotel. Fly United 747 Friendship to Honolulu, where they'll be guests of the Ilakai Hotel. 50 other families will win a day at Disneyland. And there's 500 It's a Small World record albums. All prizes will be awarded. No purchase necessary. Entry blanks wherever Pepsi-Cola or Diet Pepsi are sold.
It is a trip much worth taking. Not since 2001 has a movie so cannily inverted consciousness and altered audience perception. Time magazine, in its review of The Hellstrom Chronicle. The Hellstrom Chronicle, rated G.
For further information, see The Hellstrom Chronicle, now playing Crest Theater, Westwood from Cinema 5. KHJ. Dave and Phil.
I am W-O-O-O. And I'm here we go. One time. Work it on, baby. Much power. Hit me one time. Work it up, homie. Pressure on the slide. And I'm doing fun, baby. I am the magnificent W-O-O-O. Good God. Too much. I like it. Work it on me one time. Work it 2 times. Shock it. Rock it. I am the magnificent, baby. W-O-O-O. This is a shack back of a soul, baby. Work it out, huh? One time. A good time now.
5 years ago, fresh your taste.
Refresh your taste to Wrigley Spearmint Gum. Refresh your taste, for flavor is the one. The flavor's fresh and lively too. It cools your mouth, it's great to chew. Refresh your taste to Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
You know, when you come right down to it, that's what millions of people like about Wrigley Spearmint Gum. Wrigley Spearmint's fresh, lively flavor really does refresh your taste.
Delicious and long-lasting too. Enjoy it daily, millions do. Refresh your taste. Chew Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
Yummy. Now, here's exciting news from Thrifty. If you want to make friends, you have to play your cards right, and that's where Thrifty Drug and Discount Store can help. Thrifty stack their decks with rows and rows of fantastic American greeting cards for all occasions and for all kinds of people. They have a full house, so to speak, of American greeting cards for birthdays, congratulations, anniversaries, and graduations, plus a wide assortment of sentimental and friendship cards at low, thrifty prices. Visit your nearby Thrifty Drug and Discount Store today and see why American greeting cards Make Thrifty the best car dealer in town. Thinking about getting some new sheets? Well, head on down to your nearby Thrifty Drug and Discount Store during their annual white sale. Thrifty has beautiful Cannon Monticello sheets in both twin and double bed sizes, flat or fitted sheets in bright prints and snowy white. Remember, these are Cannon Monticello sheets. You'll get only first-quality cotton muslin, firmly woven and long-wearing. Stock up today on these beautiful Cannon Monticello sheets at Thrifty.
Thrifty is a drug and discount store. And much, much more.
Los Angeles weather continued hot, 72 tonight in our quest for adventure, 95 tomorrow, lows through Orange County and the Valley tonight in the 60s, 90 in Buena Park tomorrow, 105 in Burbank, 75 at the beaches, 71 in the water. Downtown now it's 93. That's the number. Here in Hollywood, 94 degrees.
Yes, I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. Leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my hands, lose my plow, lose my land, oh, if I ever lose my hands, oh, I won't have to work no more. And if I ever lose my eyes, if my color's all run dry, yes, if I ever lose my eyes, oh, I won't have to cry no more. Yes, I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. Leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my legs, I won't moan and I won't beg. Oh, if I ever lose my legs, oh, I won't have to walk no more. And if I ever lose my mouth, all my teeth, north and south, yes, if I ever lose my mouth, oh, I won't have to talk. Take long to find me. I asked the faithful light. Oh, did it take long to find me? And are you gonna stay the night? I'm being followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. Leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow.
At KHJ, the Real Don Steele Show, Hamilton, Joe, Frank, and Reynolds, hit bound with Annabella.
I've seen you, Annabella, moving softly through my mind, and the vision stays through my nights and lonely days. I need
Isabella, coming home, hitbound. Hamilton, Joe Frank, and Reynolds with the Real Don Steele and KHJ now 422.
Holly, how wine, you're good enough to eat. Holly, how wine, oh, you're good enough to eat.
Say, baby, it's the wine you love me in Spain.
Wait a minute, mama, let me explain. Does it taste like passion fruit?
Yeah, baby, it's delicious and oh so mellow.
Wait until you mix that tropical wine into some very righteous jello.
Johnny.
No, baby. You make yourself some gelatin, but instead of using water, mix it up with Valley High wine.
So Valley High, the wine you can munch. It's a passion fruit cooler with a tropical punch. Yeah.
Valley High, you're good enough to eat.
Oh, yeah, Valley High, good enough to eat.
Italian Swiss colony, California.
Today I'll prove that baby magic oil lets you tan fast. On my left, 6,000 beauties. On my other left, 6,000 uglies. A little while ago, both sides put on baby magic oil. They're being careful because there's no sunscreens. Wow, the beauties are tanned already, and the uglies, yuck. Tan, but still ugly. So remember, whether you're beautiful or not so hot, baby magic oil lets you tan fast. Right, uglies?
You may never race a motorcycle at 260 miles an hour. Speed on solid ice, 20 below zero. Ride side race across the Mojave Desert. Motocross in a foot of mud. Compete in the Elsinore Grand Prix and experience what it's like on any Sunday by Bruce Brown. On any Sunday.
Bruce Brown's on any Sunday, now playing at the Plaza Theater, Westwood, and the South Coast #1 in Costa Mesa from Cinema 5. Take it home. Chicago and beginnings.
When I'm with you, it doesn't matter where we are or what we're doing. I'm with you, that's all that matters. Time passes much too quickly when we're together laughing. I wish I could sing it to you. Oh no, I wish I could sing it to you. Oh, I'm silent, silent, la, 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 la. When I kiss you, I feel 1,000 different feelings of chills over my body. And while I feel them, quickly try to decide which one I should try to put into words. Oh no, try to put into words.
And KHJ, here on the Real Don Steele Show, Elvis, and I'm leaving.
taken the time to show me. Wouldn't be lonely. Where will I go? Who will I have to lie beside me? Just emptiness inside me.
KHJ. All right, the Real Don Steele cooking at 4:30.
We hit the
93 KHJ, Diana Ross.
I want the love that you deny me, that I need so desperately. The tenderness that you possess, you deprive me. You must pay for the lonely nights that I walk the floor for you. And don't you know that you must erase all the tear stains on my face? Surrender your love, baby. Surrender your Don't you know that I'm taking my case to the highest court of love? And these are some of the charges you'll be found guilty of. You used me and abused me till I felt like I wanted to die. You created a need in me that only you can satisfy.
From her album Surrender, here on the Real Don Steele Show at KHJ now 436.
Harry, you just don't turn me on.
Why?
First, I think your deodorant failed.
What else?
Your car. It's got the dolls.
Get it on, soft and easy. Get it on with a Vista Shine.
Hey, Harry, get a fail-safe shine. Get it on with Simonized Vista Soft and Easy, the car wax that makes your paint perform. How? A special formula of jeweler's polish and high-gloss silicones cleans deep down for a shine like sterling. So lay some Vista Soft and Easy on your car skin and shine the dulls away. That Vista shine will set you free.
Get it on, soft and easy. Get it on with a Vista Shine. Simonized Vista shines the dulls away. Get it on, soft and easy.
In this day and age, when so many great American traditions are rapidly disappearing, one institution is still single-mindedly devoted to maintaining that great American tradition, the hot dog. Despite the incursion of hamburger, pizza, tacos, and French fried onion rings, the hot dog, mustard, chilied, pickled, cheesed, sauerkrauted, onioned, or otherwise, still remains the one, the only traditional American food. Get America's favorite hot dog at Der Wiener Schnitzel.
Der Wiener Schnitzel?
Der Wiener Schnitzel.
You gotta be kidding.
I'm not kidding.
Celebrate your anniversary at Der Wiener Schnitzel when you taste those plump, juicy hot dogs with their toppings of kraut or chili or mustard. You'll be glad you have something to celebrate.
The Opel Economy Wagon is the only wagon that can call itself General Motors' lowest price wagon, only because it is. Drive Opel this week at your Buick Opel dealers.
Isley's, and it's your thing, baby.
It's your thing. You do what you want to do. I can't tell you who
can't tell you who to talk to. If you want me to love you, maybe I'll wait. Believe me, woman, it ain't no big deal. Oh, you need love now, just as bad as I do. Makes me no difference now who you give your thing to. Oh, it's your thing, it's your thing. Do what you wanna do. I can't tell you who to talk to. It's your thing, it's your thing. Do what you wanna do now. I can't tell you who to talk to.
This is the Real Don Steele on KHJ with more music. Here now are the Grassroots with Sooner or Later. Sooner or Later, Grassroots, 443 at KHJ with Real Don Steele.
Say goodbye to the drive. Here's something new, my darling. Here's something new.
From Dippity-Doo, new Dippity-Doo heated roller conditioning set. Not a gel, a spray that conditions away dryness, dullness, dreariness you worry about with electric or steam heated rollers. Sprays in body, shine, and long-lasting hold.
Hi guys, with Dippity-Doo heated roller conditioning set.
There once was a girl born with oily hair who thought Mother Nature had been so unfair. Then she discovered new Tame Clear Cream Rinse with lemon. It gets out tangles like a regular cream rinse, only it's clear and lemony, so it leaves hair clean and shiny. No more does she fret about oily hair, 'cause now it looks so clean and shiny there. New Tame Clear Cream Rinse with lemon.
The middle of the road used to be a place where you didn't take sides. Now it's a place you live. So we put Right Time right between beer and wine, right in the middle of your road.
Moving out from somewhere, heading straight for who knows where. Living by a different kind of code. The time is right for right time. Right time is right now. Right here in the middle of your road.
Light like wine, refreshing like beer. Right Time's right in the middle of the road. A unique adult drink in 4 sparkling fruit flavors. Apple, tropical, tart gold, and sweet red.
Time is right for something light to move along with you. To share with friends who share your kind of code. The time is right for right time. Right time is right now. Right here in the middle of your road.
Theodore Ham Company, St. Paul, and other cities cool off at the free concert on the Green in Barnstable Park Sunday afternoon. KHJ reminds you that the music is performed in the shaded area near the new Municipal Art Gallery on Hollywood Boulevard near Vermont. The weather for Los Angeles, 72 tonight, a fractious Friday, gang. 95 tomorrow, down to the 60s in the Valley and Orange County tonight. 90 through Orange County tomorrow, 105 in the Valley. In the Valley now, 101 currently in Hollywood. It's 90 degrees.
Don't do wrong, but you've been gone away so long, and I hope you'll understand that it's really oh yes it is. It's out of my hands, but I don't want to do wrong. I don't want to do wrong. But it's been so long. Oh, it's been so long. I just can't help myself. Since you've been away, I've been praying every day. God, to make me strong.
KHJ, I'm the Real Don Steele, and here's Lee Michaels' hit bound, Do You Know What I Mean? All right.
In 14 days, since I don't know when, I just saw her with my best friend. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I just saw her yesterday. I just saw her, asked her to stay. Do you know what I mean? Lord, you know what I mean. Her and Bobby were stepping out. Her and Bobby didn't know I'd found out. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I asked her if she still cared. She didn't hear me. She just said, Do you know what I mean? Lord, do you know what I mean? Then she said, Lee, you haven't loved me for nearly 4 years. You haven't noticed that I held back my tears. And now you have, but it's really too late. Better find yourself another girl. Better find another girl. Better find her another place. Ooh. She just left me yesterday. She just left me, had nothing to say. Do you know what I mean? Oh, do you know what I mean? She's a dandy, yes indeed. She's a dandy, but now she's free. Do you know what I mean? Lord, do you know what I mean? Yeah. Been 14 days since I don't know when. I just saw her with my best friend. Do you know what I mean? Lord, do you know what I mean? I just saw her yesterday. I just saw her learn how to stay. Do you know what I mean? Oh, do you know what I mean? Yeah, you know. Woo! Help
What you mean, jelly bean? Lee Michaels, I got you. 452 at KHJ, and I'm the Real Don Steele.
It's a matter of fact. Drag racing can be seen any weekend in Southern California, but once a year it happens. The superstars with their $20,000 fuel funny cars and the breed of men that drive the fastest accelerating vehicles in the world. Top fuel dragsters begin gathering for the big one, the 4th annual Gold Cup Championships. A hot summer showdown where only the 16 quickest in each of the 2 divisions will get a chance at the coveted Gold Cup and the $10,000 purse. Competition running strong in the form of Paisano and Matsubara, Warren, Coburn, and Miller, the Midnight Skulker, Schultz and Glenn, Guy and Les Allen, Gene Conway, and the rear-engine car of John Rodick and the 3,000-horsepower twin-engine syndicate tell you that's the place to go. North of the 605 freeway to the 210, then east 1 mile to the Irwindale Avenue off-ramp. This Saturday, August 7th. Qualifying begins at 1 p.m., eliminations at 7. The Gold Cup Championships at Irwindale Raceway.
When I'm with you, it doesn't matter where we are.
The Chicago Transit Authority, featuring beginnings, and does anybody really know what time it is? And Chicago, featuring Make Me Smile and Color My World.
Color my world with hope of loving you.
Both 2 record sets, Chicago and the Chicago Transit Authority, are on Columbia Records.
Available at Vogue's table of hits at low discount prices. Vogue's at Hollywood, Westwood, Pasadena, and on Rosemead and La Cienega. Vogue for your complete record library.
It is a trip much worth taking. Not since 2001.